Weather Service office in Aberdeen, South Dakota with a weekly NOAA weather radio test. The warning alarm tone and the emergency alert system have just been activated. These tones will precede the broadcast of emergency messages. This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm system. During severe weather situations, receivers built with the tone or emergency alert features will be automatically activated for watches and warnings affecting your area. This concludes a live test from the National Weather Service office in Aberdeen, South Dakota.
Oh my God.
A broadcast all cable system has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. South Dakota at 8:49 p.m. on August 26, 2021, effective until 9:04 p.m. South Dakota alert issued at 8:33 p.m. CTD, Thursday, August 26, 2021. Child description: Algene Doomer, 11 years. Old Native American female, 5 feet 3 inches, 100 pounds, brown eyes, brown hair, worn short, wearing gray shorts and a green shirt. Child description: Marvin Doomer Jr., 12 years. Old Native American male, 5 feet 3 inches, 138 pounds, brown eyes, brown hair, worn short, wearing green/gray shorts and a red hoodie. Child description: Jace Doomer, 6 years. Old Native American male. Short hair, wearing neon green shorts and a Batman shirt. Suspect description: Martin Doomer, 37 years. Old Native American male, 6 feet 0 inches. Heavyset build, brown eyes, black hair. Suspect vehicle description:
Oh my God. Again?
Partial SD license WQ35. Details of the
Amber Alert.
case. Algene and Martin Doomer Jr. were forcibly.
Silver Alert. The Silver Alert is being transmitted at the request of the North Dakota Highway Patrol. Cecil Sonny Jeanette of Valcourt, North Dakota, is a 77-year-old American Indian male. He is 5 feet 7 inches tall, weighs 170 pounds, and has white hair and brown eyes. His last known whereabouts were on August 15, 2022, at BIA Road 12 in Valcourt, North Dakota. He is believed to be driving a maroon 2017 Chevy Silverado Duramax crew cab truck, Turtle Mountain plate 31946. MR. Jeanette was wearing a gray pullover sweatshirt and blue Levi jeans. If you have any information regarding this incident, please contact BIA at 701-477-6134. The above Silver Alert information is available by calling 511 and at www.response.gov/alert. Flood. The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Dakota Division of Criminal Investigation. Child description: Lunapods, 7 years. Of age white, female, blonde hair, unknown height, weight, eye color. Child description: Hunter Pups, 8 years. Of age white, male, blonde hair, unknown height, weight, eye color. Suspect description: Benjamin Martin Moore, 50 years. Of age male, 5'10" tall, 200 pounds. Black hair, unknown race and eye color. Suspect vehicle description: 2015 dark blue Chevy Equinox, Alberta, Canada. License: CGC 2492. Details of the incident: Luna and Hunter Potts are believed to be traveling with their non-custodial mother Leah Potts and her companion Benjamin Moore. Possible vehicle is a dark blue Chevy Equinox with Canadian license plates, CGC 2492. The safety of the children is believed to be endangered, and there is an order in place to return the custody of the children to Canadian authorities. Saskatchewan, Canada, has issued an Amber Alert for the children. The children are currently believed to have traveled to South Dakota.
Great.
You are listening.
Oh my God.
Until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Oh my God, you guys. Where's the remote? It's right south of us.
Tornado and hail at 2 inches in diameter. Source: radar indicated location. Impact: flying.
Oh my God.
Those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations and tactics include honey. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room.
Oh my God, tornado.
Building. Avoid windows.
If you are
Oh my God.
or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Holy smokes.
A tornado warning has been issued until 7.
Whoa.
Information is available. You can also see a new severe thunderstorm warning there in northeastern South Dakota.
Oh my God, it's right there.
Moving to the east.
It's right there. Holy smokes.
So keep it here on Dakota News.
That better not head north.
As soon as we receive some
If that heads north and it turns confirmed, we're gonna get hit. Oh my God.
Tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
Right there.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties.
Right over us. Really low clouds.
Day and speak. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Eastern Edmonds, Southwestern Brown, Northeastern Sauk, Southeastern McPherson, and Northwestern Spink
Oh,
counties.
lightning.
At 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms.
It's really dark over there.
Extending from Plainview Colony to near Aberdeen to Stratford, moving north at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
That's not even, that's the,
Source,
not
radar
even that bad
indicated.
one.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect
Comes the
damage.
winds.
Sighting, entry.
Straight line winds.
That
That straight line winds just came right through us.
Barnard, Columbia, and Sand Lake Wildlife Refuge.
Holy smokes.
Tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m.
It's just down. New tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Roberts County in northeastern South Dakota, southeastern Bay County in northeastern South Dakota, northwestern Grant County in northeastern South Dakota, northern Connington County in northeastern South Dakota, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located along a line extending from near Fluence to near South Shore, moving north at 65 miles per hour.
This is, oh my God.
Tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous.
Where's the sirens at?
Mobile homes will be damaged
They
or
have
destroyed.
have to.
Windows and vehicles will occur.
Holy
Tree
crap.
damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Bitter Lake around 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight.
I'm not gonna make this long, but Sioux Falls, this is tornado warned right here. This they producing rotation. Look outside right now. There are severe storms over there developing. Look at this. Night. This is bad.
At the top of the broadcast, I wanted to see quickly if I could find a couple of those right now. Again, these are the outages that we have currently. And let me bring these up here because we got Hutchinson County.
900.
Just trickling in, folks.
Whoa.
And there's likely to be more of these coming through the
This one
evening
here
hours,
near
but
Huron
obviously
is
what we've
heading
seen
our
in Sioux
way.
Falls with so many power flashes, we know that this is definitely going to be a long evening here. So as we bring up the total view here, let's bring into view Kevin
I'm
Live
recording.
for HD. Notice the expansive warning areas in the northeast now. We've got several warnings in effect for Clark, Spink County, and also Gettysburg, or at least
This
east
is
of Gettysburg,
bad.
Polk County, I should say, at the present moment.
Yeah, I just wanted to reset this a little bit to show some of these cities, Brian, because we lost all of our computing power, so I had to re-put this in. Okay, go ahead.
You bet. And one thing I will say, too, as we kind of collect our thoughts here tonight, I know the visuals here are gone on the live cam in downtown, but keep in mind that these storms have a history of producing damaging winds. So
Yeah, 100 excessive of 100 plus miles an hour.
And then we're also, as we
That
go through
is
the broadcast, we're
dangerous.
going to talk about
Straight line
another
winds.
line of storms coming in a little later You
got two tornado warnings. One in Beetle County, one in not sure what county that is. There's a mixture of three counties. But I know Sioux Falls is Minnehaha. We got multiple severe thunderstorm warnings. I'm gonna post. If not, I've already posted 2 videos for you guys to watch. That's velocity right now. Red is going away, green is going is moving towards it. That's pushing towards Sioux Falls right now. The suburbs are experiencing major power outages.
Yeah, these numbers
so
are
yeah,
coming in 70 to 80 there.
Negative 78, negative 87.
Levels of the clouds.
Oh wait, no. I take that back. That's how much. That's how fast it is. I'm not negative. Take all that out. So yeah.
The Weather Service damage reports that have been coming in. I know we've had.
There's blowing dirt and dust in freaking Sioux Falls right now. We got bad storms coming out. I'll even show you guys right now. That over there is really dark, and that's the storm that's been tornado warned towards Beetle County. I'm in Brown County. This is bad.
Here at Sioux Falls Airport, but now the line of winds has passed through the airport, so now it's starting to show up as red. I know it's 2 different colors, but essentially it's showing the same thing. Very strong.
I gotta end the video because I might run out of space. So yeah, more updates coming soon. Holy crap, you guys. This looks like a derecho, but it ain't. It's a severe thunderstorm. This is so crazy. It's freaking windy out there. I'm seeing if the power goes out yet. It's looking like it's gonna go out. There's flash flooding possible. Oh my god. Holy smokes. This hit us like a snap, this hit us in a blink of an eye, you guys. This is nuts. Holy smokes. I missed the alert on camera. I missed the alert, you guys. But we got it, we got hit, we got hammered. I'm surprised the power hasn't I'm surprised the power hasn't went out yet. Look at this, it's freaking flooding. There's a freaking lake. There's a freaking, oh my god. It's just downpouring. It's just downpouring. Sorry. No, you're fine. Oh, shut up, weather radio. Issue a tornado warning so I can record it. Holy smokes. Freaking fire alarm's going off. I put tape over it because it's too loud. Can't hear it. Yeah, that's what we got.
Partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s.
Due to a severe thunderstorm, tennis ball size hail that I've missed. So I didn't have no storage on my phone. Yeah, the staff is freaking out. I don't know why I got a ice water just set there. Holy smokes.
And the relative humidity 90%. The wind was northeast at 8 miles.
So I got the watch. 2 warnings and 1 watch. Right now it's just raining like heck out. Look at this. And fire trucks here. Oh, now we go. They turned it off. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Alright. Another warning.
The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Edmonds County in north-central South Dakota.
Flash flood warning.
North County in north-central South Dakota until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Oh my god, this is going to be a bad storm. This is from the severe weather.
Emergency management in Edmonds County reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across and near the Warren area.
Oh my gosh.
Reported fault in some area roads had been overtopped with water.
Jeez.
The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 2 hours.
Oh my gosh.
Rainfall amounts of
1
6
inch
to
an
4
hour.
inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: emergency management reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and
This is going to be a terrible storm, you guys.
Streets and underpasses,
Bunch of content
as well as
coming
other
you guys'
drainage
way.
and low-lying areas.
I'm posting a lot of videos.
Locations that will experience flash flooding include Ipswich, Crispard, Seneca, Chelsea, Onika, Flamingo Colony, Norbeck, Loyalton, Pembroke Colony, Brentwood Colony, Cravens Corner, North Scatterwood Lake, and South Scatterwood Lake. Turn around.
It's heading my way
when
too.
encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until
We just got
11:30
under
p.m. Central
freaking
Daylight Time
Edmonds
for the
County.
following counties:
That storm.
South Dakota, Edmonds, and fog.
All that rain's coming our way. And they said 1 to 2 inches in 2 hours.
Oh, that's nice.
And they also said that roads and bridges are already being flooded over.
Well, Ipswich already was flooded to begin with.
Yeah.
So I was just there.
Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be great.
Yeah.
Double header. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service at Aberdeen has issued
Contact
a severe
law
thunderstorm
enforcement
warning
about
for
this.
Western Day County in northeastern South Dakota, southeastern Brown County in northeastern South Dakota, northwestern Hamlin County in northeastern South Dakota, western Coddington County in
It's getting
northeastern
bad.
South Dakota until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. It's 4:33.
Alright, screw it. I'm gonna listen to the police scanner. Move this up. Alright. Yeah.
Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
This is at
Severe
least
thunderstorms will be
75
near.
miles
Rain
per
will
hour
around
right there.
4:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
70 mile an hour wind.
Crocker around 4:45 p.m. Central
Crocker.
Daylight Time. Colony, Swan Lake, Bristol, Pierpont,
It's
Walnut,
getting bad.
Virgin Islands, U.S., Naples, Antelope Lake, Hazel, Callaghan Church, and Grass Lake. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency.
Alright, this is
They
getting
will
bad.
send a report to the National Weather Service office in Aberdeen.
Oh my god, this is bad. This is the ongoing blizzard we're having right now. This is crazy wind. It's blowing and drifting snow. And now this is drifted all the way up to here. You see how, oh God. Oh, it's even higher now. It drifted even more. See how deep that is there. Yeah. Holy smokes. This is bad, you guys. This is no travel advisory as well. We've gotten up to, I'd say, 20 or so inches. 15 to 20, that's what they've been saying. But this is horrible. Horrible weather. Get down there. It's just blowing snow up to 50 miles per hour. You see way down there, it's blowing, and it is very cold out too. Yeah, this is bad weather. This is a blizzard.